This action guide will help you to find good long-tail keywords to use for search engine optimization and more affordable pay-per-click advertising. So let's get started. Since I have the Keyword Finder tool already open here, I can skip step 1 and I'll go ahead and add some keywords. And for this example, I'll look at keywords in the golf club niche. I'll go ahead and analyze these terms and select all of them. And once we're finished, I'll go ahead and view my results. So I can go ahead and select any terms and promote them to the top. But what I'll do here is get a little more guidance with all this. Maybe I'm not exactly sure how to do this. And so you can see, to find good long tail keywords, you'll need a lot of variations. We only have 268 so far, and I know there's a lot more we can get for this market. So I'll go ahead and click here to get more keywords and variations. And I'll just keep following these steps. First, I'll look at this node here and look for keywords that have more than 100 searches per day that are relevant to golf clubs. Now 100 is not a hard and fast rule. It's just a general rule of thumb that works well. Because if you're going to go after keywords down here that are getting 5 searches a day or 0 searches a day or whatever, they're not going to be that useful up top here. You're not going to get more than a few variations for them. So under my Keyword Variations tab, I'll hold down my Control key and multi-select some terms. So golf club sets looks good, golf club set, Callaway golf clubs, hybrid, used, and ladies. And of course I could pick a lot more. And I'll go back to related keywords and I'll do the same. I can look for maybe golf equipment, but I'll skip that here. Golf irons looks good. Golf putters. And again, I can pick more, but I'll stop there. And now I'll click Promote, which will promote results that I've selected from under both of these tabs up to the top. I'll go ahead and analyze the keywords I just promoted up top here, which will again cause Cache Keywords Pro to go out to get related keywords and keyword variations for each of these new terms. And I'll click Select All, which will merge all the keyword lists down below for these terms. I'll let this finish up. And now you can see I have a lot more keyword variations to work with for finding long tail keywords. And I can continue repeating steps 1 through 4. I can again scroll down looking for more relevant keywords in this niche under both tabs. I can promote these terms up top, analyze these new ones, select everything again, and keep doing this until I feel I've collected a lot of keywords to work with. So once I've collected enough ideas, I'll move on to step number 6 here. Now in case you have any filter turned on, it's a good idea to click here to turn off filtering. And you can notice down here whether filtering is turned on or off. So I'll select up to 5 keywords up top, which is step number 6. And I'll click here to get more variations for each term and watch how the keyword counts go up on the right here. And watch how the number of keyword variations overall increases significantly. And I can go ahead and select another 5 terms and do the same. And this step 7 is the same as pressing Get More Keywords, by the way. And also, as I mentioned in other videos, we only allow you to do 5 keywords at a time in terms of getting more variations to protect you from getting your IP address banned by Google, since they don't like too many keywords being submitted within a period of time. So after getting enough variations, and let me go ahead and do this first, select all keywords, and now I can see, yep, I have plenty of variations, almost 2,000. After getting enough of these, I'll click here to go back to the main action guide, Finding Long Tail Keywords. So I just completed step 5, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the long tail filter. And depending on your results and what niche you're looking at, you'll probably want to go to the Filter tab and play around with this value here, the number of words. Here we're looking at results that have 4 or more words in them. So the more words you have, the more long tail or specific the keyword phrase is. And so you can try increasing or decreasing this value to see which will give you the best results. Now, once I have a good list of long tail keywords, I can go ahead and use these terms for search engine optimization, for more affordable pay-per-click advertising, even for finding available domain names that contain these phrases, and more. And not only that, since these terms are more specific, they often will get better results in terms of higher click-through rates and conversions. So long tail keywords are worth looking into and using for pretty much any market.